Emma. Oh! Oh! Boom! That one is perfect and it's so fluffy. Look at that. It looks like an Eggo. Boom! That's perfect consistency. This one actually looks like a waffle, but I'm excited to see which one tastes better. Hey, Compassionate Carnivores, in today's video, we're showing you 2 ways how to make carnivore waffles. This one was with pork rinds, and this one was just eggs and heavy cream. And then, yeah, just stay tuned to watch the video. Okay, so there's 2 ways to make these carnivore waffles. The first way is super simple. It is just 3 ingredients. You need an egg and 1 1/2 tablespoon of half and half, and then some red mint salt. Super simple. I learned this recipe from these kind people in Florida who told me this recipe, so if you're watching this, I love you. Thank you so much. And then the second recipe I just saw on Courtney Luna's YouTube channel, so I was like, I need to try this. It's 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1/4 cup pork panko, and 1 egg. So we're going to tell you which one is better. So we're going to start off with the easy one. 1 egg and then 1 1/2 tablespoon of half and half. Look at, we got it in the famous Mr. Dr. Kiltz. 1. Whisk it. This is super fast and simple, and it actually doesn't take that long in the waffle maker. It takes like a minute, not even. I'm going to do a pinch of red mint salt. And then we're going to take our butter. And this waffle maker we got at Walmart. It was only $15, but I'll have one linked below from Amazon if you'd like. And then you're going to need a mixer to make heavy cream. But if you don't have this Ninja thing, there's this. It's a frother, I think that's how you pronounce it. I saw Courtney Luna use it. So then we're also going to be making whipped cream to go on the top of our waffles. It's so fast. Watch this. You just plug this guy in. Oh. And then it already starts to heat up. I'm going to let it heat up for maybe like 10 seconds. And then I put some butter around it. But also, this is kind of scary. I've been eating this almost every day, but now I'm kind of scared. I don't think it's good every day because this is not, it never sticks. So I'm guessing it's non-stick. So it's probably some bad forever chemicals on it that can't be good. So I'm going to look on Amazon for you guys because I need it too, but maybe there's one that's not all the chemicals. But this is so convenient. Maybe that guy might be a little dirty, but that's okay.
Well, that heated up fast.
Yeah, not even 10 seconds. And then do the top click, it's going to burn. You don't need that much. I don't really know if you even need that because I think it is non-stick. But I think this batter was just for 1 waffle, so we're going to make another one while this cooks up. And then you just close it like that, and I kid you not, it takes not even a minute. So while that goes, let's do another one of those. I wonder if Courtney Luna's way is going to taste better, or I don't know, because it's the pork rinds, so. But pork rinds don't really have a flavor, in my opinion, at least. See, look at that. This one is more like an egg waffle, but it looks like a waffle, and I haven't had a waffle in, I can't remember the last time. It's probably been a few years. See how we put literally no batter in it and it's coming up so much? Hot! Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This means it's done when the light's not lit up, but I like to get this little brown stuff on it.
Oh, why is it so big?
So, and boom, that's done. How long did that take, Alyssa? I'd say like not even a minute.
It's hot. Oh, it's really hot.
I like to just brown it. Oh, it smells so good. It's literally an egg waffle. I feel like I'm not phased from this, but the very first time I made this, I was freaking out because look at that, it's a waffle. But I've ate this so many times that I'm kind of just used to its beauty, but it's a cute little egg waffle. No offense, this guy's a little ugly. The other ones I made were better. And then to put some butter on that, oh my goodness, so good. Can't even wait, I just want to eat it. The other ones I made were real big and fluffy, but she keeps pressing it down like that, so these are thin. But the next one, I'll make it, and it'll be nice, big, and fluffy.
Because it comes out of the side.
Yeah, it's super fast. I've never cooked mine this long either, I think is why.
Well, I legit do undercooked. There's no way yours weren't undercooked. You didn't cook it for this long. Look, there's no way this is cooked. Did you eat it like this without
Yeah.
You're weird. It's literally, it's watery on the bottom.
That's how I legit cook mine. That's how I like mine done, but she likes hers like this guy.
That's how waffles are supposed to.
It smells delicious.
Oh, he's big.
See, this is what I mean. Like, you can get it real nice and fluffy instead of these thin ones. Like, look how fluffy that is. That's how I like mine, but I like the top to be a little bit brown.
Yeah, see, it's still watery on the bottom.
But look how fluffy that is. Oh, I lifted up again.
Why?
You're gonna leave him like that?
Tuck that little guy under.
Boom.
Emma!
Oh! Now we're trying Courtney Luna's waffles. I've never tried these before. I actually just saw this on YouTube today. So, we got
1 egg.
Oh, I gotta melt butter. 1 tablespoon of butter, but we're gonna do 3 waffles. I need to melt some butter. Okay, and
There's the butter.
I thought we learned this multiple times. You're not supposed to put hot stuff with eggs.
I didn't know that.
So it might make it curl, but every time we've done this multiple times and it always works. Boom.
Don't you need 2 of those?
Yeah. This is a pork panko. We got this off Amazon. I'll leave it in the link below. But otherwise, you can just go to Walmart, and I don't think we have any, but you can get a big bag of pork rinds. It's only like $2. You just have to read the ingredients and make sure that there's not a bunch of junk in it. Just make sure it's pork rinds and salt, and then you can crush it up in a Ziploc bag. But otherwise, we got like a whole pack of this on Amazon. We have like,
I don't think you should add another
8 of these. I mean, that's the recipe, so maybe I'll just do half. Because this makes the waffles like brown. And then it is optional. You could add 100% pure vanilla to it, but I never mind it. I think it's fine without. And she didn't add any half and half, but what if we add a little bit of this? I don't even know what that really does.
Should we just add this, the little one?
Yeah. This isn't in Courtney's recipe, but we're going to add a little guy. I don't know, maybe it'll make it more creamy or flavorful. Oh, and then we could, the pork rind's already salty. Should I add a little salt?
I think it's probably fine.
Yeah. Oh, we forgot about this guy. Oh! Boom! That one is perfect and so fluffy. Look at that. It looks like an Eggo. Look at that. We'll tell you which one tastes better. I personally think I'm going to love that one better. I don't think you need a lot in this one. And then she said in her video, she went like this with something.
That's kind of what I was thinking.
And just spreaded it around a bit.
Spread it.
But we'll see because I haven't tried this one yet. Might be more flavorful. Yeah, I have been eating this every day, honestly, but it's got to be so bad for you because look at that. It's non-stick. George, I have an important point.
Quick interruption. Did you know your skin absorbs 60 to 70% of what you put on it? At Compassionate Carnivore, we make 100% natural, handmade products with ingredients you can read, pronounce, and trust. So pure, you could even eat them. Shop now.
See, the light went off, so it says it's done, but oh, look at that.
The light off means the heat's off because
I know it's hot. Okay. What would I do without her? But we could start on our heavy cream, our whipped cream.
This is like the consistency. We don't know if we
this
did
one's
it right,
thicker.
Though. Yeah, a lot thicker. It kind of looks like applesauce.
Okay, so then you take your heavy cream. This is for the whipped cream that I'm making. Pour it in. Some people add vanilla and stuff, but I like the taste of this. I think it's so good.
Just likes whipped cream whipped.
I know there's some times where, okay, this happened yesterday, but it happens like maybe once a month where I get hooked on this and I just keep making my own whipped cream, but I'm done with that for now.
Do you want more?
Yeah, we're gonna add a little more. Look at that. Next time we need a little bit more batter, but it looks really good.
It's good, yeah.
Courtney's was more brown.
Here, we'll move these ones. Should we put it in longer?
No, I don't know. Maybe a little bit longer. But that was some butter. Ooh. But the more butter, the more flavor. I'm gonna cut up some cute little chunks of butter. Boom! That's perfect consistency. This one actually looks like a waffle, but I'm excited to see which one tastes better. Because I never tried the pork rind one yet.
I don't know if this one's gonna turn out.
Why?
It's not a lot.
That looks like a lot.
No, I added more in the last one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What would also be so good, you could probably have mixed cheese in your batter with the egg one, the pure egg one. I think that'd be so delicious. But anyway, this is the heavy cream. So you put it in here, and then again, if you don't have one of these big machines...
This one's crazy.
Where did that thing go? If you don't have one of these machines, you can just use this. But this is... We've had this thing for years, so... Just go boop. Hello? Oh, it's not plugged in. And boom, it's done. How you can tell when it's done is that when it's not liquid anymore.
Oh, really? I'm gonna open it.
Yeah. Whipped cream. My favorite. You just have to be careful because I have times where I get hooked on this, but there was a time where I ate it like every day. And I think this isn't the best for you. It's a perfect dessert, but yeah, look at that. It's whipped cream. Okay, Courtney's do look better. They look like a waffle. But the egg one's really good, but I'm excited to try that guy. I think I'll put the whipped cream on the pork rind one, or which one would taste better? Probably the egg. I'm gonna eat this whole whipped cream before it gets on a plate.
People are gonna be like, you didn't wash your hands and you're touching butter.
I haven't washed my hands in 700 days. Carnivore. Did you guys know
how can I make this pretty?
Today's my 700th day officially. I've been saying it forever, but
that
that's
doesn't
actually
look very
what it is.
pretty.
Nobody cares.
You should have piped it.
Nobody cares.
That's a lot of work.
Yeah, everybody cares.
Can
That's
we make
700
this about
days.
Me? Please?
Yeah. Does anything. Should you not?
That's a lot.
That's too much stuff.
Emma likes it.
It just matters what it looks like.
I'm so sorry. Wait, let me...
Don't worry, I got it. No worries.
Can I taste test it?
I wear this shirt every day. What am I supposed to wear tomorrow?
He's got it on my hand now.
Oh wait, now I gotta show. Shop Compassionate Carnivore, that store. Do I have a little frosting mustache?
Okay, ready? Which one do you want to try?
Okay, wait. I really want to try the
I want
pork
to try
rind
this one
ones.
too, yeah.
I'm curious. Look at that. There's so much butter on that.
Ooh. It's literally like a...
We need to be getting a close shot of this.
It's like an actual...
Beautiful.
What is it called? Waffle.
Waffle.
I almost said pancake. I'm gonna eat it.
Okay, cheers. Oh, crap.
Wow, wait.
Oh, my goodness.
Wait, should I?
Yeah, you try it.
I don't like whipped cream, but it's actually really good with that.
That's so good.
Can you cut it?
This is perfect for kids. Like, if you have kids at home and they don't like eggs or something, literally make a waffle. And this was so fast and convenient. Yeah, I'll try it with heavy cream. But I think the egg one's my favorite so far. The pork
like
rinds,
this one.
how do you explain the flavor of pork rinds? It's not bad, but I don't love it, but
Not a pancake.
I don't love it, but I don't hate it. The egg one's definitely my favorite, but this is...
Okay, let's try the egg one.
Wait, I was trying this with a...
I want to try this one really bad.
Oh, snap. Okay, wait.
It's really good, yeah. This is the egg one. Gotta wait for it to get a bite.
Wait a minute. Oh my goodness. The pork rind one with the whipped cream, so good.
I don't really like whipped cream, but
Okay, egg
It
one.
makes the
Egg one's
pancake
my
come
favorite
together.
so far.
Sorry. I like the other one better.
Oh my goodness.
This one just tastes like eggs. That one actually has a taste.
Yeah, this one tastes like eggs, but it's a good texture. Like, this one is the fluffy one that I made. The other one, she smushed, and they're not fluffy at all. But this one's so nice and fluffy with the whipped cream. So good.
It really is good if you have kids that don't like eggs, because you can't really taste the egg part.
I like the egg one way better.
I like the other one kind of.
Wait, okay. The egg one, 10 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Pork rind one, I don't know how to explain it. Okay, it's so buttery. I don't know. I don't like the pork rind one. I love the egg one, though. It's so buttery and flavorful. Oh, look, we have leftovers. Okay, well, that is how you make carnivore waffles. We wish you all the absolute very best. Okay, bye.